Hello students, welcome back to your online classes. My name is Sabita Sharma and I am your economics teacher. Today I will teach you chapter number 2nd, money. And in this we will learn function of money. Function of money, a very important topic which is divided into three parts: primary function, secondary function and contingent function. Primary function. Number one, medium of exchange. The most important function of money is to serve as a medium of exchange. Any commodity can be purchased or sold for money. So here I gave a picture. If you want to purchase any commodity with the help of money, easily you can purchase any commodity. So that's why we are saying money act as a medium of exchange. If you want to take any commodity, you have to give money to the seller and you will get the commodity. So you exchange the commodity with the money. Number second, measure the value or unit of account, which is the most important problem we are facing in the barter system. Unit of account is not there. So price is the value of a commodity or a service expressed in terms of money. Money enables to compare the price of commodity. Different currencies are used to express the value of commodity in different countries. Rupee in India, dollar in US, pound in UK, yen in Japan. So income and expenditure of all kinds of assets and liabilities are stated in terms of money as a unit of account. So we can measure the value of any commodity. For example, your book, some price is given in your book, 80 rupees or 60 rupees. So you measure the value of your book. And unit of account, we are keeping our account, all the accounts. For example, when you are writing how much expenditure you have done or how much income you have received, you are writing in which way? Rupees. You receive 100 rupees, unit of account. Okay, so in India we are using rupee in account. Okay, so here we measure everything in the form of money. Very important, secondary function, standard of deferred payment. Yes, in the money form it's very easy to do a deferred payment. Under barter system, taking loan was easy, very easy, but its repayment was difficult because loan was in forms of grain, cattle. We cannot return the same kind of grain, same kind of cattle. But when you are taking in the form of money, it's very easy. Money has overcome this difficulty. Payment to be made at a future date is called a deferred payment. By serving as a standard measures of payment over a time, money makes borrowing and lending easily. So easily you can purchase a car and you can give at a 0%. They are not taking now any kind of rate of interest. As a 0% of rate of interest, you can take any commodity. You can pay an installment payment. Next one, store of value. It's difficult to store a commodity in the barter system, but now it's very easy to store as much as you want in the form of money. So money act as a store of value. Money not only satisfy want in present but also make provision for satisfaction of want in the future. This is possible due to saving. According to Lord J.M. Keynes, money is a link between the present and the future. Transfer of value. Money enables transfer of value from one person to another person in form of rupees. One place to another place. Real assets like building, plot, shop, agriculture, land, etc. can be sold at one place and can be purchased at another place with the help of money. In barter system, it's very difficult to set our real assets. You cannot shift your house one place to another place, but in the form of money I can sell my house from one place and with the same money I can purchase house in some other place. Okay, now what people are doing these days, if you have big bungalows, you sell your big bungalows and you are taking a 3 BHK or 4 BHK in a very good apartments. Next, contingent function. Number 1, measurement of national income. National income is expressed in terms of money. Distribution of national income among the four factors of production in terms of monetary rewards like rent, wages, interest, profit, everything we measure in the form of money. So when we measure the national income, we want everything should be expressed in terms of money. Basis of credit. Commercial bank create credit money on the basis of the primary deposits. So money provide a liquid base for the creation of credit money. Imparts liquidity to wealth. Money is called the most liquid assets. Money can be easily converted into any assets and any assets can be converted into money. Example, a person can purchase gold and if he want he can sell it and purchase government bonds, security, etc. Whatever he want, easily he can sell and purchase with the help of money. Estimation of macroeconomic variables. What are macroeconomic variables? Like gross national product, total saving, total investment can easily estimate in monetary terms. It also facilitates government tax collection, preparation of budget, everything in the form of money. Now, a very important and the last topic, that is a concept of black money. We should know what is black money. Black money is any money which is received in cash but not accounted anywhere, not accounted for, and for which tax is paid to the government. That is termed as your black money. Black money is tax evaded income. It can be earned through both legal and illegal means. Black money encourages illegal activities such as corruption, bribery, black marketing, hoarding, etc. This creates obstacle in economic development. Economic, political and social instability are created in the economy due to the black money. To control black money, demonetization is one of the tools which many countries have adopted. India also adopted. We stop 500 note. Why? Because of the black money. So what is black money? I think is clear for everyone, which is not accounted. We are not paying any kind of tax. That is termed as your black money. Being a youth, we should not take any kind of bribery. We should stop corruption. We should stop black marketing. If we want a growth and development of our country, we have to fight for the black money. Thank you, class.